and welcome to the channel. My name is Sandy and today I'm continuing my summer home decorating series, and I'm in my master bedroom and I'm about to decorate it for the summer. Now, I did something a little bit different this time. I took everything off of my shelves instead of just trying to tweak what I already had. I want to start from scratch. So if you'd like to see how it all comes together, then just keep watching. All right, so these vases here I picked up from Hobby Lobby and they were $9.99. I hauled them recently on clearance. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these up here. I bought them with this space in mind, but I always buy stuff that I can use in different places, but I just envisioned them in my bedroom first. So I'm gonna put those on the top shelf here. They're so pretty. They're kind of like, I don't know, mother of pearl kind of a situation. I don't know what you call it, but they are so pretty to me. I love them. And for the price, I could not beat it. And I was so excited that they had two. So we're going to place those up here and then go from there. I have these, I don't know if they're kind of a tropical floral succulent, whatever you want to call them. I got them on clearance for $1.74 at Hobby Lobby. And so I'm going to put those in the vase here. They're so different. I just love them. I've got them all around my home because I'm kind of carrying the tropical theme throughout my space. So they're going in here. That's kind of like a very different exotic type of look. I think I like it. Now I've got these vases here that I really want to use, and I think I'm going to place them. The only place they can go is on the vase, on the same shelf as those because they're too tall to go on the next shelf. So I think I'm going to put something in here and try them up there, and we'll just see how it looks. If we don't like it, we'll change it. You know how we do. So we're gonna take them. I've got some of these gold stones that I'm gonna place in the bottom here. It's kind of how they're looking. All right. And then I've got these little succulents, and I'm just gonna place them inside of the vase.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that.
All right, so those two top shelves, as you can see, they are the same, but that's where the twinning stops. I'm going to do something different on this second shelf. I'm going to do black and gold on each side, and you all might remember this. This has been in my living room and it's been on the entryway table. So now it's going to have its debut in the master bedroom. So I'm going to place that there. And I've got these beauties that are black and gold, so matching with that, and they're going on the shelf over across from that. Now, if you've been around here, you're probably saying, girl, you have some more boxes? Mind your business, okay? No, I'm kidding. I bought some more boxes, y'all. Y'all help me out. Yeah, call me out on it, as a matter of fact, because I don't need any more, but I got them. So we're going to place them over here. I'm going to let y'all see, so you can let me know what you think. Look how that looks. I like it here. Now let me show you the other side. Beautiful. I like it. I like it. All right, let's go down to the third shelf. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm figuring it out along with you. So let's see what else we have. All right, so I have this faux book here. It's kind of like a little storage. Actually, it's like a box, isn't it? I do have a problem. But I'm gonna place that there with this sparrow bowl. And yes, okay, now we gotta figure out the other side. More boxes, y'all. You might remember these from my haul from JAVY. I think I'm gonna use those right here. Since I have the white book and the gold, so I'm going with white and gold here. And now we've got to move on down to shelf number 4. And I'm coming back in with these trays. I didn't thrift these. I got these from Hobby Lobby, I don't know, some months ago. And I've had them on my shelves ever since. I really like them. So I'm going to place that there. This is a new addition. This jar, vase, whatever, came from Hobby Lobby. It was $5.49 on a recent clearance. It's just black and brass. So I'm going to get this cleaned off and place that on the tray. Now this is how I like my bed. I like white, I like serene colors, but I think I'm gonna drop a little teal in here for the summer. Just something just a little different, just a little touch of color. And so to do that, I need to put a little bit more in, and I have a couple florals that I'm gonna add some teal to. All right, this is the floral here. I actually had this through the summer, and through the spring, and I'm just gonna add this little teal flower in here. That's all it needed, just a little touch. That's it. And you can't do one without the other, so there we go, just a touch. And there they are next to the pillow. And my artwork already had a little blue in here because I had blue from the winter, so yeah. Now I have this vase that I thrifted a few months back, and I'm going to place some florals in that as well. I hauled these florals, I don't know, maybe a month ago from Burlington. I used some of them, but I still have this one. So I'm going to go ahead and place that in the room. Since my headboard is gray, the gray will do just fine. But I feel like they need some teal in them. So I went up in my floral stash and I found these. And since these already had some little balls, beads, whatever they are in them, I decided to just pair them together just to introduce that teal color into this and blend it all together. So I'm just going to take it like so, like that, as Tabitha Brown says, and I'm going to just put them down in here. Probably need to bend these. I was hoping I wouldn't have to, but they don't want to go down there properly. So let's give them a little bend. And there they are. Just make these beads kind of stand out a little bit. There you go. All right, so we're gonna do something in here, my master bathroom, and I just want to introduce a little bit of the teal in here. I've got a vase here, and I can put a vase there. That's gonna be about it, but let's go ahead and get it started.
Lay back and crack this window. I've been doing.
These are some towels that I already had. They're actually more turquoise than teal, but we're gonna make it work.
I'ma make Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good. When it gets hard, I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull with that jump off my back.
All right, well, thanks so much for visiting my home today. I hope you enjoyed yourselves. And if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time visiting my home, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. I do a whole lot of decorating over here, and we have lots of fun. And if you're a returning family member, thank you so much for stopping back by. And I hope to see each and every one of you over here on my next video. Bye-bye.